Don't have. Oh my god. Okay, I'm quite worried about it. I think I typed 2 times. Oh. Whoa!
Oh, wow, okay.
Happy birthday to Kudaslin. Good morning, everyone. Today is the 9th of May, which is my sister's birthday. It's rather an exciting day because it's actually not exciting because it's a birthday. It's exciting because of what we're gonna order to eat later because today is a birthday. We have not ordered food delivery for the past almost 2 months. Ever since MCO, we did not order any food delivery. We've been cooking every single day. But yeah, we're gonna have a feast later. I think we're gonna compare the prices between GrabFood, Foodpanda, and also on McD's app itself. I mean, even if you can save a few ringgit from the delivery fee or whatsoever, it's still being able to save up some. Let's install back McD's app. I actually uninstalled it. This was unplanned. I actually planned to chill and watch video, but suddenly this fella asked me to bake banana bread. Ta-da! We had 6 ripe bananas, and these are all the ingredients that we need. I'm gonna attempt to put in this chocolate this time. I don't know if this chocolate was sweet or not. Little too sweet, how? Oh my god. We're done. Split this one from my batch into 2. One with chocolate. Not sure how it tastes like. It might be too sweet. This is for Inca.
The world doesn't sleep when you're falling apart. And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all.
This is a little sad. We planned a few days ago that we'll get a family bundle D spicy, and then we'll get 2 a la carte nasi lemak. But today, in all these 3 apps, don't have. Where's my a la carte nasi lemak? There's only sets. Oh no. I want nasi lemak. I miss nasi lemak. Large Coke minus 30 cents. Oh, okay.
This is why she's the maths person.
Oi!
And not me.
Tak ngam yo. This is more
Yo,
expensive. What I don't have? I have nasi lemak. I have drinks. No fries. Got a nice smell. Oh, wow. The one for Inca one is like, wow. What if inside? Oh my god. Okay, I'm quite worried about that. But oh, look at this, the chocolate. No nasi lemak. No a la carte nasi lemak. How eh? I don't want set. Oh, who is this? Who texted me? Siapa ni? Oh. Atau siapa lagi? My friend. Sorry, hi Rose.
And so I'm scrolling this. Oh no, you know Zoom. And then when I looked up faster.
This is not octopus. This is window blind.
Well, she lacked only a few more tentacles or whatever you call it.
New hairstyle. Oh! No, actually this looks normal. Okay, not very normal.
How is
No,
it
as in
normal?
like you exclude that part. It looks like with hair. I mean, look up.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I
How is it? Chocolate is sweeter, I like it.
Oh no.
You're farther than a kiss on the phone.
No bad.
Things about you I'll never know.
Sweet. Our chocolate cookie also came out very sweet. I want to continue eating.
When you're not far away.
So my sister just went down to collect a cake. A cake that is delivered by her friend. I actually thought that I wanted to bake her brownies today because it's her birthday. And then after that, I remembered that her another friend is gonna bake her a cake. And then suddenly her another friend texted me to ask for our address because she wants to send a surprise birthday cake. So there's another cake. Luckily I didn't bake any cake, but we did bake the banana cake though. There's a lot of cake, and the amount of food that we ordered from McD is pretty a lot. It's gonna be a big feast after a long time. I just recalled that Inca asked to create a meeting, a party, I need to create a meeting in Zoom because they want to have a birthday celebration. How do I create? Good thing is that I know my sister's password. Oh, wait. Incorrect. Wait, she changed it. Microsoft Edge is not responding. Shit, she's back. Ah! Oh, wait ah! Okay, this thing is getting a bit... I've just helped her friend to do like a surprise birthday cake delivery. It just got delivered and she went down to start the car. And then now Inka is on the way here and she asked me to stand, she's asking me if I stand by the Zoom thingy, you know. No, not yet, I'm doing it now. Thank God she went down to start the car. Okay, let's go to Zoom. I have to go down to collect McD later. What's the lag? Oh man, I don't know what's her account there for Zoom. Please tell me that it's logged in. Oh shit, it's not. Okay, fail. Okay, her laptop is giving some problem. Inka's gonna reach soon. Need to go down and give her stuff. Now McD delivery is also reaching soon. Oh, laptop, what's wrong with you? My sister just texted me. Oh no. Okay, all set. I'm gonna go down now. Oh my god, I think I typed too tight. Oh, McD's arriving, Inka is arriving. We have to collect a cake from Inka, and this is a very random one. We have a banana cake inside. Okay, and I think I'm gonna bring this down. Put the McD stuff. Cake from Inka. McD delivery! Woo! We've just came back after picking up everything. And we've took some of the stuffs out and they are all on the floor. Now we're gonna clean them first. But their food. Do people usually transfer the food out of the containers and then consume them? Or do they just wipe it and they just use it? I'm a little bit confused right now, but we'll try. And this has been the most over meal that we've ever had during this whole entire period. That's a chicken. That's also a chicken. Another chicken. Whoa! Wow, this is really the most. And then there's 2 cakes. And there's other cakes also. Ooh! Our fries! How can we forget about our fries? Gotta eat! Sauce here. Oh, wait. This has been the moment that we've been waiting for so long. But this is like after an hour. Allah. That's exactly the reason why we don't order food delivery, no? The delivery came about 10 to 15. We came out, we cleaned, we went and shower, everything, and then we start cleaning all this, and now it's already 2:57, almost 3 o'clock. Takes a lot of time. I feel like it tastes better now. It tastes nicer now compared to when they first launched it. Traded the portion with my sister. Don't know why, it feels damn good Tastes damn good. No, it tastes damn good. I honestly feel like... I honestly feel like I forgot how to drive. Why? Oh my god. I just chomped my saliva. And it's spicy. Wow, this is really a killer. It's damn good. I just feel so happy. You know, the food's good when the plates... Oh yeah, I really clean up everything. Wow! Oh power.
There's the ice cream inside scoop cake. But Arun!
I'm so full! I feel I'm gonna go into a food coma. It's spicy, so we drank a lot of water. I feel even fuller. It's fuller or what? Is there such thing as fuller? Anyway, we're watching Talking on Netflix. Talking means the king actually. It's already 6. What have I been doing for this whole entire day? Feels like time just flew by. I woke up at 8. I feel like I didn't do anything. That's weird. Oh, I just woke up from a nap. Right after eating, I just felt so sleepy. And now my tummy is still like burning a little bit because the nasi lemak was really spicy, but it was really good. So today is actually the 53rd day of MCO. Technically, it should be ending on 12 May, which is like 3 more days from today. But the government actually implemented CMCO, Conditional Movement Control Order, before the MCO phase ended, which is by Tuesday, today Saturday. It was rather confusing when the announcement was made, and it was made on Labour's Day. It came off pretty sudden, and it wasn't something that I expected, and I bet many people didn't expect that. It's all up to us on how disciplined we are. So just gotta hope that people will still continue to, you know, maintain social distancing, wearing masks. Although it's not a must thing to do, but then technically it's just something which is more just in case thing lah. It's currently 7:30. I'm still full. I'm gonna eat. Wow, oh my god, they look like chocolate cake. They're actually banana cake. Let's makan.
You hungry already? Just fast, huh?
No, I'm not hungry.
Then?
But you already sound something.
Since when you are so on time?
MCO.
Oh. I thought just now you just said that you're very
I'm actually still very full. I can actually survive dinner without eating anymore.
Yeah, I think I can eat at 12 o'clock. Inka actually asked me, your cake blow already? I'm like, no, I'm still very full.
The nasi lemak portion is bigger than I thought.
It's a lot.
I poured
And then you had my portion somehow.
Yeah. My PMS.
3 to point full.
Oh, extra lettuce. Okay. We want blow cake first.
No, I need to go through a procedure with Inka's punya very detailed procedure on how to cut the cake.
I'm full.
Ta-da! Is it burnt cheesecake?
Is it? I think it's burnt cheesecake. Oh my god.
Oh my god,
I've been
Kushenka
seeing-
JC.
Your birthday cake.
Huh?
And I also get to eat it.
Arun, your ice cream, we are indulging it, don't worry.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Kushenka, what the hell? You outdo yourself. Sorry lah, my banana cake not that great, huh? Next time improve and send. Oh my god, she gave me 3 lah for 30, is it? Hello, where's my candle? Where's my lighter?
30, oh yeah. Huh?
It's dripping the candle.
Oh, that's fast.
Oh, how did that happen?
What?
Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to Kujaslin. Happy birthday to you. That's fast.
Why are you singing?
Because it's melting. Eat cake time.
Oh, crap. She go give me instruction. Hold on. Use hot knife, wipe with tissue and cut each time you cut. Wow.
Cut each time you cut. You just heat this up over the stove. Huh? Oh, like that. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, this is not what I'm expecting, but alright. Okay. Cut small piece for me, please. Thanks. Sister's birthday, but I get to enjoy also.
Oh my god.
It smells so good. Is it good? Eh, I want fork, yo.
Damn good, Inka.
When was the last we ate cheesecake?
Much better than sugar recipe.
When was the last time? Today is definitely my happiest day.
Cup day.
It's so good. It's burnt cheesecake. This is a little bit scary. So yeah, before I went to sleep, I just want to wish to live a birthday wish here because it feels a little bit awkward telling face to face. Yeah. Happy birthday, Jay. I'm super thankful that you were born before me. If you weren't born before me on this particular day, I wouldn't have you as my sister, and I wouldn't even be who I am today. I wouldn't even be here talking to this camera of you. So yeah, just want to let you know that I'm very thankful to have you as my sister, because without you, I don't know what I'll be. That shows how great you are at being a sister, because technically you were the one who guided me when I came over to KL. When mommy and daddy still lived out, you ended up becoming like my sister, my mother, my brother, father, best friend, everything. So yeah, I'm thankful that you are being born. Thank you for existing. That's all.